In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin DeepL to the taskbar. This is a quick way to keep DeepL just one click away, so you can open it instantly without searching every time. If you're using Windows, pinning apps to the taskbar helps streamline your workflow and keeps your most used tools front and center. Let's get started by opening the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Start button on your taskbar, or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Either way is fine. The goal is to bring up the menu so you can search for the app. With the Start menu open, begin typing DeepL. You don't have to click into a separate box. As soon as you type, Windows will search automatically. Make sure you've spelled it correctly. You should see the DeepL app appear in the results. If multiple items show up, look for the desktop app with the official DeepL icon. If you don't see it at all, it may not be installed on your device, or your organization might have restricted it. In that case, you'll need to confirm the app is available on your PC before proceeding. Once you see DeepL in the search results, right-click the app icon. This opens a context menu with several options. From here, hover over or select the option labeled More. In that expanded menu, choose Pin to Taskbar. That's the key action. After you select it, Windows adds the DeepL icon to your taskbar so it's always visible. Take a quick look at your taskbar now. You should see the DeepL icon pinned alongside your other apps. If you notice the option instead said Unpin from Taskbar, that means it was already pinned, so you're all set. From now on, you can launch DeepL directly from the taskbar without opening the Start menu or searching again. This setting will stick even after you restart your computer. To recap, you opened the Start menu, typed a DeepL to find the app, right-clicked the result, and chose More, then Pin to Taskbar. That's all there is to it. These small adjustments can save you time every day, especially if you use DeepL frequently for translations or text improvements. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps exactly as shown, you'll have DeepL pinned and ready to go whenever you need it.